And not just, now you may ask, if a girl has to be chaste to one man, how can man marry many women? We may have a question. In Vedic times, Dasharath Maharaj has married 3 wives, 4 wives, and many other wives also he had, but 3 were prominent. So, we may have such a question, isn't it? So, the Vedas say that in the Vedic times, we had our special friend, what is his name? Like our Ajay. Like Ajay, many men did not want to marry. Many men in the Vedic times, they thought they were against marriage. So many men actually went to forest and they became renunciates and everything. So the number of men were less, women were more. And women require shelter. As I told you, a man who is very stable, spiritually stable, surrendered to a guru, surrendered to God, living a pure life, he can give shelter to a woman and keep her happy. If one man can give shelter to a dozen women, in the Vedic times it was allowed, provided he has the capacity. Not only money. Money is not the only thing. He should be able to equally treat all of them. Like Vasudeva, for example, he was giving his sisters very costly saris and very costly jewelry. And his wives were all standing by his side and they were smiling. Can you imagine? We can ask this question to our girls, we can ask. Imagine when you marry, your husband is giving costly saris and costly jewelry to his sisters in front of you. And will you smile or will you have any problem? Do you know why they were smiling? Anybody knows?
They were already satisfied.
Yeah? How they were satisfied? No, actually he is giving his sisters those things, and more costlier than that he had given his wives already. He had already given his wives more costly saris and ornaments and everything. After satisfying them, then he gave to sisters. They said, no problem, now you give now. You already given. So he was a very intelligent husband. So if a husband has more than one wife, you should be able to treat all of them equally. Nowadays, can anybody do that? No. It's very difficult. If one woman is more beautiful, you will become attracted to that wife. That is just as Suruchi Suniti, you heard? One king, Uttanapad, he was attracted to Suruchi and not attracted to Suniti. Therefore, Dhruva went to forest. You will hear that. It's very difficult for one man to treat 2 women equally well. Therefore, this age is called Kali Yuga, where one is not allowed to marry more than one in this age. Man is not allowed to marry more than one.